Brian DeBatis from Starline here. I'd like to take a minute and show you how to create a virtual on starline.com. I'm going to click on products and find an item that I would like to create a virtual on. I'm going to do one of these gift sets here that we have available where we print on a cooler bag and some drinkware. I'm going to select this guy. On every product page there's an icon that says Logo Lab. Logo Lab is your way to make a virtual one at a time on starline.com. Click on Logo Lab, select the color of the item that you would like to create the virtual on, upload your art file. I'm going to make this one here for McDonald's, and Logo Lab will place the artwork for you on the product. You can move this around, but once you take it outside of the decoration area, it does not allow you to do that, but you can shrink it down if you want. We don't want you to make a virtual that is something that we cannot decorate. And within Logo Lab, you can also change the color of the logo if you need to do that. When you're ready, click Download Image, and then right-click and save and add to your presentation.